Why do you always have to make videos of me?
You're hiccuping.
What? Still videoing me.
Okay, let's Oh, hey Harry. Hello. Hey Harry. Oh yes. Yes, you're so cute. This is Harry. He's so cute. Yes. This is little Harry. Yes, this is little Harry. He's 1. Okay. This is Leo. Hey Leo, say hi.
Hi.
Yeah, he's watching Dorothy.
So, why are you videoing me upside down?
You're a monkey. No, I mean a bat. Wow. Okay. Let's go outside. Go outside. Go outside. Go outside.